When it comes to weight loss, the debate between cardio and strength training often creates a divide among fitness enthusiasts. Cardio, like running or cycling, is typically associated with burning calories during your workout. It brings to mind the rhythmic pounding of feet on pavement or the steady whir of a spinning bike. The immediate scene is one of sweat and effort, as heart rates elevate, pushing the body to its limits while working to shed unwanted pounds. On the other hand, strength training, encompassing activities such as weightlifting and resistance exercises, paints a different picture. The focus here is on building muscle and enhancing metabolic rates. Imagine yourself in a gym, surrounded by the clanging of weights, embracing the challenge of lifting progressively heavier loads. This form of exercise not only promotes muscle growth, providing tone and definition, but also fosters a resting metabolic rate that continues to burn calories long after the workout is done. However, the ultimate goal of weight loss may require a balanced approach. While cardio burns calories effectively during the activity, it is strength training that builds the foundation for lasting changes. This dual approach leverages the calorie-burning potential of both. Picture a well-rounded fitness regime where morning jogs are complemented by evening sessions of lifting weights, creating a powerful synergy that optimizes fat loss. You engage every muscle group from legs to core, enhancing overall strength and endurance while melting away fat. Moreover, research indicates that a combination of both cardio and strength training significantly boosts weight loss results. Envision a weekly schedule where you alternate between cardio workouts and strength sessions. Your body becomes an athletic canvas, sculpted by diverse movements that elevate heart rate and build muscle simultaneously. You feel invigorated as the balance helps maintain motivation and prevents workout monotony, making the journey towards weight loss enjoyable and sustainable. In conclusion, while cardio may ignite initial weight loss, it is strength training that fosters long-term results and body composition enhancement. The vibrant dance of cardio and the powerful stance of strength training create a dynamic partnership. Together, they shape the body, boost metabolism, and transform your fitness journey, leading to lasting weight loss success. Embracing both pathways may unlock the key to your ultimate transformation. When it comes to weight loss, the age-old debate of cardio versus strength training continues to stir passion among fitness enthusiasts. As you embark on your journey to shed those extra pounds, it is essential to understand the distinct benefits each training method offers, allowing you to customize a plan that best suits your body and goals. Cardio exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming are fantastic for burning calories. They elevate your heart rate and increase oxygen consumption, leading to more significant immediate weight loss results. Imagine the thrill of your feet pounding against the pavement and the rhythmic sound of your breath as you push past your limits. Consistent cardio sessions can lead to a significant caloric deficit, essential for losing weight. Additionally, these exercises improve cardiovascular health, boost endurance, and elevate mood through the release of endorphins. Picture yourself crossing the finish line of a challenging race, knowing that your dedication to cardio has fortified not just your body, but also your spirit. On the other hand, strength training focuses on building muscle, increasing your metabolic rate, and redefining your physique. Imagine the sensation of lifting weights, feeling the muscle fibers tear and rebuild stronger. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, which means that incorporating strength training into your regimen can lead to long-term weight loss benefits. This method narrates a different story, one where lean muscle mass increases and metabolic efficiency amplifies, propelling your body toward burning more calories throughout the day. Moreover, strength training enhances bone density and functional strength, which are crucial as we age, promoting a more active lifestyle. Visualize yourself lifting heavy groceries with ease or climbing stairs without getting winded, a testament to the power of strength training. Ultimately, the best approach for weight loss may be a combination of both cardio and strength training. This balanced plan maximizes caloric burn, builds lean muscle, and keeps your workouts enjoyable and varied. Consider how each training method complements the other, like two sides of a coin that work harmoniously to achieve your weight loss goals. So lace up your shoes for a run and grab those dumbbells. With determination and a well-rounded routine, you're one step closer to achieving your desired fitness level.